So let's take a look at this question, right? How do we tackle this one? So let's think about the question. We have a family with many different disorders, but who is the question asking about? It's asking about the brother Justin, and he has cystic fibrosis. So that's the first thing. Who is the question asking about? And that's who we want to solve. Where did Justin get his disorder from? Justin has cystic fibrosis, a recessive disorder. So again, we backtrace it. One trait came from mom, another trait came from dad. This makes dad and mom carriers for cystic fibrosis. And therefore, this is the answer. If you look back at the question again, it mentions a sister, Kyla, who has hemophilia. Now, for her to express that disorder, it means that a bad X came from mom and another one came from dad. Both contributed to her getting hemophilia. And then when we fill out the Punnett square altogether, we know that there's a chance that a male will not get the disorder. However, the father, because he only has a bad X, he's going to give that bad X to every daughter he has. However, there's a chance that a daughter could come out with a good X that she gets from mom. Here, there's a possibility that the bad X could be given by mom again. Remember, mom can either give a good X or a bad X to her son or daughter. Dad, in this case, can only give the bad X. Now, here is another example. We see in example 1, mom was a carrier for a sex-linked disorder. She had one good X, one bad X. Dad, he also had this disorder. If we go to the second example, right, we see that mom has the disorder because she has two bad X's. However, dad does not have the disorder at all. So the only X that dad can give to his daughters is the good X, symbolized by the color blue. Mom, the only thing she could give is the bad X, which she gives to her sons and her daughters. So because of mom, she's going to pass that bad X to all of her kids. The sons will not be protected. They'll always get they'll always get that bad X from mom. However, with the daughters, they'll be carriers because the only X they get from dad is the good X. So the daughters will be okay. These are examples that you should pay attention to on the exam.